everybody, welcome back to Twisted Between Garage. I figured I'd come out here and show you what Mark's been doing. He's insulating the garage. He's got pretty much this whole wall's done, almost. The ceiling is all done.
Side tapers yet.
He's got to do these side tapers. He's got some of that done. And look at a mess we got. And here's my poor tractor.
It's buried.
It's buried with these sheets of insulation. He's got all that up there done. And there he is, hard at work. He's just standing there looking at me.
Yeah, giving up.
I figured I'd come in and show you guys that they got everything moved out of the way, away from the walls. Trying to get all this done. My tractor's got all kinds of stuff sitting around it. Everything's just pushed around.
Yeah, but if you look at the thermometer, it's 50 degrees now, and it's only 17 outside.
Only 17, and I'm trying to see if I can get over that way. And we got 50 degrees in the garage. So it's helping, because yesterday we couldn't even get up over 40 degrees, and we've only had the wood burner running for
About an hour and a half.
about an hour and a half, and we still got to close in these eaves yet, so he'll be working on that next. Figured I'd just make
a... behind you. I gotta move all them shelves.
Oh man, he's got to move all these shelves. He's got them screwed into the wall, so he's got to take everything off these shelves to get behind there. And then hopefully he'll be alright to come in here and get it up to at least 60, 65 degrees. So we're going to end this video. When he's all done, I'll come back in and we'll show you the finish of it and see what we can get it up to. That'll probably be a couple more days yet, because today's Sunday. He's got to go back to work tomorrow.
2 a.m. in the morning.
You guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Well, guys, I'm back again. Now, you see he's moved all the shelves out. He's got that whole wall is done.
You can go down that side.
And now it's made it worse in here. Now we really don't have no room. But if you can see the temperature, it's almost 60 degrees since he's got all this done, and he still has the eaves to do yet. So it should be pretty good by the time he gets all finished.
Just
We'll bring it
the side
back.
little drops.
Yeah, we'll bring it back when he gets more done. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, like, share, subscribe.
Just a quick little video.
Just a quick little video here.